Make a great choice today with the 2026 Q7. Elegant, functional, nimble, and the list goes on. It is impossible to limit the attributes of the Audi Q7 to just a few. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, turbocharged, panoramic roof, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, power lift gate, daytime running lights, privacy glass. Feel the rush of adrenaline as you accelerate into the future.